Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Driving Addict. Today me and Holly is gonna do an unboxing of the Magic Bullet blender. Holly, do you like blending stuff? You like to drink juice? Yeah? Can you help me unboxing today? No? Okay, go play with your toy, Holly. Once again, welcome to our YouTube channel, Driving Addict. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Magic Bullet. I bought this at Walmart for $40. And I think you can buy it online on Amazon or Magic Bullet's website or Walmart.com for the same price with free shipping. So in the description, I'm gonna put the link on where to buy it for this product right here under the description. Alright, I keep forgetting to say this, but if you haven't done so, please subscribe, please smash the like button, and if you really like it, please share it, and if you don't like my video, please leave me a comment on why. I'm trying to make better YouTube videos every day, so please subscribe, please smash the like button, and please share my videos. Thanks, fam. Alright, let's get it cracking. Let's unbox this thing. First thing first, we got the user recipe booklet, Magic Bullet user recipe booklet. I'm not sure if they have an app for the Magic Bullet or not. So there's all kinds of things you can make with the Magic Bullet. You can make guacamole, you can make juice, you can make oatmeal, like blend stuff for cooking. So inside there's instructions on how to use it. Recipe for, banana coffee frappe, creamy coconut coffee, and so on. Recipe for a smoothie, and it's a Magic Bullet limited 1-year warranty. Alright, so first of all, you got the booklet, then you got the warranty registration card. I'm not sure what you get if you register your product, so I don't know. I don't think it's necessary to register it. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the Magic Bullet. Alright, so I'm guessing this is the lid. The Magic Bullet lid. Two more lids, Magic Bullet lids. You got the container, the small Magic Bullet container, and it does look like a bullet, so it's pretty cool, nice looking blender. You got the Magic Bullet container. This one is I'm guessing about like 6 ounces. So it's like a small blender for making blend food stuff, I guess. You got the Magic Bullet cup. So I guess you can use this in the blender and drink it. I think so, I'm not sure. And then get the Magic Bullet blender container for the blender. And then the Magic Bullet blender. It's a silver color, so I think it's a great color for a blender. I think it comes with in many other colors too, but we only bought a silver color today. Alright fam, so that's all that's included in the Magic Bullet box. So you got the motor base, the tall cup with lip ring. I think this is a tall cup with lip ring. Stainless steel cross blade. You got the short cup, and you got the Stay Fresh resealable lid. And then it comes with instructions and many recipes for the Magic Bullet. So you can make smoothie, you can make guacamole, you can make frappuccino. So many things you can do with this Magic Bullet, you know. And I'm gonna put the link under the description on where to buy it. I think you can get on Amazon for the same price of $40, or on Walmart.com, or on Magic Bullet's website if they have it. But today I bought mine at Walmart for $40. Alright fam, so we're just gonna test out smoothie, making the smoothie today with the Magic Bullet with the strawberry and banana. We run out of ice today, so we didn't use any ice. But in the next few videos, I might make some more smoothie recipe. We don't have ice, just the strawberry and banana. Alright, let's test it out. So you put the stuff in the bullet, and you close the lid. You wanna watch, Holly? You wanna watch me making a smoothie? Holly, wanna watch? Okay. Holly, can you twist the thing? No? Holly, no! Cool, right? There you have it, strawberry banana smoothie without ice today. Yeah, we left our ice in the freezer too long, so we have to make a new batch of ice. Looks delicious. Alright fam, so in the previous clip I didn't have any ice, so I went to the gas station, buy some ice and some milk, and then we're gonna test it out with the ice. So all you do is put it into the container, and, make sure the thing is locked. Put it in, twist to the right. So with ice, you're gonna shake it around, you know, so it's more even. Shake it a little bit. There you have it, strawberry banana shake. Alright fam, let's taste these strawberry banana smoothie. So on the first clip, I had no ice. On the second clip, I went to the gas station, bought some ice and some milk. So for this smoothie, all I use is strawberry, bananas, ice, condensed milk, and fresh milk. All right, all right. Let's pour a couple of cups for me and my wife. Look at that beautiful thing. With ice is way better than no ice. Cheers to NutriBullet. Thanks everybody for watching this episode of unboxing the Magic Bullet and testing it out with making the strawberry banana smoothie. Thanks fam for watching. Please hit the like, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.